They will be authenticated. Events will be authenticated. So that's the login page. So that's the dashboard. So in the dashboard, you get at least it showcases that it is an application where we simplify the process of paying transport. So you're first welcomed by a good morning, then your account number. Your account number is so your phone number, then you have the option to create a wallet. You can also access the wallet. Then there are options to transfer, make a payment, payout, top up, and also you can pay transport on road transport, so railway transport, air transport, water transport. So I also had the recent transactions. So kindly proceed. So first of all, we took advantage. You can create a wallet on top of Intasend. So you first input your personal label, then you choose the wallet type, then the currency of choice, then you choose to activate or deactivate if you can be able to send or not send. So it was just my apologies. So once you create the wallet, your wallet will be created. So you have the option to fund the wallet, and also you can add your card. So we didn't have the right infrastructure to test the tap and go because we didn't know where to go and find that service. But at least we made something. But in the future we'll develop it, and the tap and go system will be all right. So once you make a payment, your transaction will be recorded here. So and you're able to see your wallet. So these are the analytics. So they are just basics. So you see the transactions you have made. You have the settings. You see the expenses. So this month, how many times you have paid transport via our application, and also last month. So in the future, we'll come up with better analytics. Kindly proceed. So we have the settings. So and then okay, no problem. We have the settings page, where you're able to set your profile, notifications, your wallet, login settings, and also service center. In case we proceed, we'll create a service center so that you're able to call us and we help you in anything you want. You can also be able to log out. You will see that later. You can proceed. So we have the notification. Each time you make a transaction or you receive money, you will get a notification, both on the app and on the email. So this is the profile. So each time you sign up and log in into the application, your data will be recorded in the profile. So you are also able to delete your account. If you feel that you want to delete an account, you will be able to delete an account. So we will also have privacy and security. So login settings and also the service center, and also the image, the profile. We'll add features so that we ensure that a user can change their profile picture. Kindly proceed. So since most wallets, you need your card, your bank card or debit card, MasterCard. So we have a feature that allows you to add your credit card details, so that even when you're paying or you want to fund the account, you at least. So we made it as to have a okay. You can also fund the wallet. So you can fund it from your M-Pesa, Bitcoin, PayPal, also a bank like NCBA, Equity Bank. Then when you fund, you get a notification both on the app and the email, and your email, and also the amount will be recorded on your wallet. So that's it for me, for the demo. And not yet. Oh. So the challenges, as I said, we faced few challenges, which are implementing a tap and go payment system, and also implementing the near field communication, which is NFC technology, and also implementing a subscription model. So we use the technologies we used were React Native, TypeScript. For the database, we used MongoDB, and the server side we used Node.js as our backend. So future plans, we will implement a referral system whereby you get something when you refer someone. So we will also introduce a subscription model. There's someone who had recommended it, but we are not able to implement the subscription model. And also we'll enhance the payment system to support tap and go functionality. We'll also allow clients to create multiple wallets, not only one wallet. So we'll provide advanced real-time analytics, and also we'll also launch loyalty and reward programs, and also we'll expand our intermodal integration. Thank you very much.
That's great. Thank you for that. We're going to move to group 3. Please note you have 10 minutes for your presentation. So group 3, are you ready? Group 3? Yes, Baraza. Welcome, welcome. The floor is yours.
Thank you very much. Hi, guys. My name is Mika Barasa. I'm a graduate of Moringa School, a full-stack software developer. I'm happy to meet Kip in person. Hi, Kip, Maritim. We once had should I say a chat? No, but it was an interview. I didn't fail though. Okay, cool. So I happen to call my product Transit Rover. So basically what we're trying to solve right now is that we realize that most times when people are traveling, whoever handles your money are the conductors and the drivers. That doesn't necessarily mean that the fee or the fee that you're receiving at the moment is what you're supposed to be paying. It is as well saying that you could be paying the wrong amount to the wrong people. So just to make sure that whoever is in charge of the transport models receives the actual amount, and the persons who are using the transport means are not like paying wrong charges, like they're not being stolen away from in the real sense. So I happen to come with this product so that our users can be able to log into our website, choose the whatever transport means they want to use, whether it's by road, train, and maybe an Uber. So when this happens, you can be able to choose the vehicle that you want to move along with, and then you can be able to pay. So when you pay using our system, it goes directly to the owner of the matatus. So we are reducing a lot of handling cash at this moment. Secondly, you can move along with me, kindly. Yeah. We do realize that outdated systems often lead to sometimes inefficiencies and dissatisfactions to the customers. So just trying as much as possible to reduce dissatisfactions among customers and ensuring that our transport models are trying to accommodate the users effectively. So next, please. So these are the problems that we are trying to reduce at the moment. We are going to have ticketing systems, and I'm trying to come up with a hardware, but that's not happened because I was doing more of software. So we will try as much as possible to reduce conductors or rather drivers handling more cash with persons. So you only get into a matatu if you want to pay using our system. If you want to pay using the web application, it's fine. You can log into the application and then do the payments. If you want to do, if you want to use your ATMs or debit cards to pay, you just insert your debit card into a system, and then what you receive is a receipt. Okay. When you want to use our system, what you get afterward is an e-receipt showing that you have paid for the whatever route you want to go. Next, please. So, yeah, these are just kind of some of the problems that our transport people face. Next, please. That was the solution. Okay. Next, please. So I used React.js for the front end, Python, MySQL, and Flask for the back end to integrate both the front end and the back end. I'm a full stack, and I worked this alone. So it was kind of hectic. I think I have put a link there. Can I use mine? It's a short video of 1 minute and some 36 seconds. So yeah, I'm sorry about that. I'm really sorry. So something else I had not captured, that's something for the implementation. It's about the data analytics and real-time monitoring from the operators, so to see that everything is well in progress. You ready, sir? Cool. Yeah, perfect. You can be able to log in into our system. So you just create a name, your preferable username and email. This is just so we get your data in our database. So after creating an account, you of course log in. So after logging in, don't worry about the transit. I was just like trying to tell you people you can transit easily with me. So let's say you want to move from Naivasha to Nairobi, but you can as well use short distances. So you book with us, come choose whatever means you want to move with. And then so yeah, you pay. So if you want, you can have a choice of purchasing more than one ticket. So that's just in case you have a family or something. So you might be wondering how Intasend comes in here. Like, how are they going to benefit from this? One, you can be in a position to get the database in our systems. Two, when charging for the actual price, you can be able to like get the transaction fee. When persons pay for their transport, we have at least maybe 2 shillings or 3 shillings from every customer that is using our system. So at the end of the day, you also have a buy-in as to why you should adopt this system. So I still have a lot that I was doing. I realized working alone is not easy, and maybe that's why Moringa School really wanted us to do projects in teams. But yeah, I still have a lot that I'm still implementing. So if it happens that my project proceeds, then I still have a lot to work on the same. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Baraza. Good job. Thank you for that. We move to the next group. Yes, group 2, you ready? Group 2. Yes, welcome. Welcome.
Yes. Good morning. Yeah, my name is John Vundi. I was the Scrum Master of Group 2. Our project, we called it Fairflex. Fairflex, we are trying to solve the problem of paying fare, whereby there's a lot of processes taking your money from bank to M-Pesa and then to, because we are seeing now that mostly when you are in a matatu, there's the option of pochi la biashara. So you have to take your money from the bank to the M-Pesa wallet, and then you have to send to the M-Pesa. So we are trying to shorten that distance, because you find that sometimes when you're trying to do that all stuff, the makanga is just staring at you like, yo, don't you have money? So there's that problem. So yeah, the group member consists of John Vundi, that is me, William Ayim, William and Michael were working on the back end, and John and Edwin were supposed to work on the front end. Yes, next page. So the pain point is that there are a lot of steps whereby you have to deposit money to the M-Pesa from bank, which is inconvenient and time consuming. And then there is a lot of transaction fees that you incur. And then there's inefficient queuing whereby people are waiting for you like harakisha bro. So the next slide. Our solution is to transform whereby we can use Intasend to directly move your money from bank process whereby you're supposed to take it to M-Pesa and then to Nini. So it is quick. Then we want to reduce the charges in card. Next slide, please. The key benefit is convenience. As you can see, there is that shortness of time. And then it is time saving and it is cost effective. Yeah. So this was supposed to create a demo, but we did not manage to. Next slide. The advantage is that the thing will be seamless, whereby the process it is quick. It will be a secure platform whereby everything is integrated accordingly and authenticated accordingly. It will be a user-friendly interface, and it will be very scalable. Yes. Next. Yeah. Next. So we wanted to create a mobile app because because mostly people are paying using the phone. We also want to create a program that that loyalty program whereby you can refer to your friends, and we integrate to model to a lot of other stuff, like you not just paying fare, you can pay in the supermarket, you can pay in the mama mboga and that stuff. So yeah, actually that was our project idea. We tried to create it, but due to unavoidable circumstances, we did not manage to create the whole thing. So there was some stuff. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you, John. Thank you for that. Edna, you ready? Yes, welcome.
Hi everyone. I'm Edna. I'm a data scientist, so it's an honor to be here first of all, in a room of engineers. So my team, we were data and 2 software developers, and then unfortunately I was left as the only person. So I dared myself and took up the challenge, and in front of you we have the Transit wallet. So one thing Transit Wallet we are looking forward to is dedicated revolutionizing the pub, and providing real-time account updates and the user seamless user-friendly interface. Next. All right. So one of the problems the other one, Lipa na M-Pesa. You enter the other one, buy goods, and now you're like, oh, what is not even happening? So there's that inconsistency in terms of payment. And also in terms of security concerns, for example, even paying in the morning today when I was on my way here, the conductor wants to see your M-Pesa message, but also deep down you don't want to show your real M-Pesa statement. So that was one of the key factors we were looking to. Because, I mean, what's the need of a conductor you're paying, and let's say your M-Pesa is low and you're shy to show that your M-Pesa is low? So, yeah. So the solution, 1, Transit Wallet, we have seamless mobile payment, instant notification balance, and also the transaction histories. Yeah, let's go to next. So why now and why Transit Wallet? One, the growth of digital dependency. We have many users who are rather, wanting to use mobile, or I'd say cashless payment systems. And also in terms of connectivity challenges, despite the technological perspective in this application. Will they make offline payment? Yes, they will, in form of a USSD code. And and also without the data, the right time, the business operators, that was not supposed to be there. So we have the MVP, or even the product, where it will offer a channel payment system supporting the use of the digital wallet, and also alongside the offline payment feature for users even without the internet connection access. Also, we'll be able to, send alerts and even notification, balance updates, detailed transaction history, and ensuring that there's efficient expense for tracking for users. So in short, you'll be to monitor your payment system offline by the management wallet section part, where you'll be able to see your dashboard payment and see how maybe you're using your transport at this time, to be able to even give you like a budget on how maybe you're supposed to, like a budget on how much you can auto reload on your digital wallet. On the app, on the app. Yeah, so when it came to the development, we had the design, the project, the meaning, and then brainstorming in terms of who are the main users, in terms of inclusivity, in terms of even the colors and everything else. And then coming up with a wireframe from the start to the end flow of each process. And then when it came to the design thinking, for example, it's a whole application, so we had the colors, the testing and evaluation as well. We just had a few challenges that I'm just going to address. So as we use the demo in terms of the technologies used, I used Flutter, Firebase, Python, and Dart, SendGrid to make sure that you get the email notification. In this case, you can verify the email and also your wallet being, the endpoints. Right, so when it came to the challenges, integration complexity, that was the most difficult part in terms of the payment section. Also using Intasend, USSD implementation, it's still underway as I'm still trying to figure that out. And then there's the real-time updates, ensuring that there's real-time account management features. For example, we are going to use data analytics in this case, whereby under the management wallet, you have a dashboard displaying your payment, your monthly payment, your monthly spending in terms of transport that you've used along the month, along the week, and also daily. So that's something that also was a challenge as well, but also we hope to implement that. Yeah. So ongoing plans with this, there's continuous improvement that is needed in terms of enhancing the user interface, which means giving a better interface from even what I really have here. Data encryption, in this case, we have SSLs and robust encryption protocols, and also even the password part. And then regular testing, conducting thorough testing from even what I did in terms of the testing as well. That's still ongoing. And then in hope for comprehensive and much further testing to ensure that there is thorough testing across all aspects, from when you log in, when you're signing up, logging in, making payments, to even when you're accessing your dashboard. And also user feedback, to incorporate user feedback for the testing phase, and then successfully launching this, because we are deploying an application that will store and promote effective users and aiming for a successful launch with a positive user reception. Yeah, so that's Transit Wallet. Thank you.
Thank you. That was group 4. We move to group 5. Paris, Alex, and Daniel. I hope you're ready. We can move to you guys. Group 5.
So, good morning, everyone. Good morning again. I love that.
app, and we did not deploy the Africa's Pocket part because it requires some payment, but yeah, that was our demonstration. And he'll just show you how the dashboard for the Matatu owners will look like. So for the technologies we used Node.js and Express for the backend. For the front end, we used React. And then we used the Intasend wallet. We used JWT for user login, and then we deployed the React app on ngrok. The backend, we deployed it on ngrok. So just come and show it. And for future implementations, we want to be able to collect the data so that you can provide security for the passengers as well. When someone boards the Matatu, they will know. Let's say you forget something in a Matatu, you will remember the number plate or the fleet number of the Matatu, and you will also record the Matatu that took you to wherever you are going. And also, we want to implement graphs whereby drivers or the conductors here at the dashboard, at the report, we will be having, that is a future implementation. We want to have graphs where you can see the transactions per day or per week. Yeah.
And those who are asking, what if someone has cash? We are going to implement something that works like an M-Pesa, such that if someone gives out the cash, the conductor will prompt the guy to, time is up, okay. The customer to the owner's wallet, such that, and then you will get a message, he or she will get a message. I don't know whether you got the idea.
Yeah, so just allow me to mention that some of the other features we plan to introduce are a confirmation code. So once you get that message that confirms payment from Naulipe, it will come with a confirmation code, which is like an OTP that the conductor can also use to validate the payment, possibly from a mobile app implementation. But if that is not possible, we can also do it via USSD or via two-way SMS. And beyond payments, we also plan to introduce features where when you dial the USSD, rather than just payment, you can also provide feedback. And we also plan to introduce a queuing feature where, for example, you can report them at a certain stage. And from the drivers or transport managers' end, they're able to see that, for example, there is a cluster of 100 people who have reported that they are at the prestige stage, and currently there are very few vehicles there. Yeah, so that is all from Team Naulipe. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Group 5. I think we are done. There are no more presentations. Everybody, that was a good job. I think we can take this time, give the judges a few minutes to Okay, we're giving the judges a few minutes to deliberate on the presentations and the reward. Group 4 wanted to do a short demo. I think we can give her 2 minutes to do her demo. Judges, Group 4 wanted to do a demo. Sasa. Yeah, Group 4, you can do the demo. That's no problem. think you're ready.
Then what just happened?
So guys, as most of the judges can continue, this is just an icebreaker. So I know all of us are developers. Okay, most of us, not all of us. So I have an interesting question for you. As you can see there's a console.log, 1 + 1 + 3. So what do you think the output, the answer is? What do you think the answer is? Yes. 2. The answer is 2. Okay. I don't want to. Fabulous, please. Yes? 23. Anyone else? You? What? 23? Okay, let's see. 5. Who said 5? You. Why 5? Yeah? Okay. Actually, the answer is 23. Who knows why? Or maybe who can answer why? Yes?
Then since 3 is a string, it will be concatenated with